Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Become a more respected person just by applying these 7 traits. 1. Never let anyone hear you complain. Your feelings are irrelevant. Do what needs to be done with a smile on your face. 2. Act with irrational self-belief. It doesn't matter if other people think you can't do it, because you know you can. Ignore their opinions. You're capable of doing anything. 3. Admit when you're wrong. You don't know everything. Own up to your mistakes as quickly as possible, as it's the fastest way for you to learn. Progress is made through iteration. Iterate. 4. Honor your commitments. If you say you're going to do something, hold yourself accountable. Your reputation is the only thing you have. Be a person of your word. 5. Take yourself seriously. You'll never be able to demonstrate your value without intent. Your desires mean everything to you. Stop at nothing to attain them. 6. Control your emotions. Your emotions cloud your judgment. People will look to you for guidance and leadership. Don't react. Be decisive. 7. Influence. Most people drift through life. They have no purpose, no direction, and zero intent. Learn their needs. Lead the people. If you like the video, subscribe our channel and appreciate us. For new videos, press bell and get notifications. Like, share and comment below for your suggestions and feedback. Thanks for watching.